How to cancel HBO Max subscription. So for that, first of all, open up your browser and then inside here, visit the HBO Max website and then sign in to your account. Once you have signed in to your account, click on your profile icon, then go to subscription page, then select manage subscription. If you have subscribed directly through Max, you can click on cancel subscription and then follow the on-screen instruction to confirm your cancellation. If you have subscribed through a third-party provider such as Apple App Store, Google Play, Amazon, Roku, or even your TV or your internet provider, you'll need to cancel the subscription through the same device instead of Max website. Once your cancellation is confirmed, your subscription won't renew, but you will continue to have access to Max until the end of your current billing period. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.